Hello everyone, if you're facing this error in Microsoft Store, try that again. Something happened on our end, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your Microsoft Store. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here services, and you're going to go into it, and here you're going to find storage service first. So here it is, you're going to right click in it, go into properties, make sure it is set to automatic, click OK on it, and then you're going to find Microsoft Store install service, right click on it, go into properties, first stop it, click OK, and then right click on it again, go into properties, set it to automatic, and then select start. After that, press OK, and then just close this menu up, and then you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here wsreset.exe, press enter. That will reset your Microsoft Store to the default settings, and that should open up your Microsoft Store after it's done resetting it. If that fixes your issue, then you're good. But if it didn't, then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here PowerShell. You're going to make sure you run it as administrator. And here you're going to put this command in. I'm going to put this command into the description of the video. You're going to press enter, and that should first uninstall your Microsoft Store, and then it will reinstall it. After that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you open up Microsoft Store on your computer, your Microsoft Store will work correctly, and you'll be able to download and install any applications you want. You won't get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.